Hi there, I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today I am doing prompt number 25 of the Junk Journal July challenge, which is hosted by Meg Journals and Get Messy Art. And today's prompt is photograph. Well, I found an old black and white photograph of the woods near our old house. Actually, it was probably in our back field, I think, that was overgrown with trees. And it used to be farmland, but then it kind of reverted back to a little bit of forest. But anyway, I have this black and white photograph. I'm going to attempt to make it look older with this used tea bag. Now, I had some other tea bags that were super grungy here, but I thought it might, might not be able to see the photograph too well if I put that one on. So I have a whole bunch of these that I saved a long time ago, and I did do this technique once a long time ago. This time I'm going to try to just use a more clear tea bag, and we'll get some Mod Podge out and a little paintbrush, and we're just going to kind of paint it on. I'm going to paint the tea bag onto the picture, just like this. And I'm wondering, I don't remember exactly how I did it last time because it was a few years ago. I think I just put the stuff right on top of it. I didn't do like a layer under it and a layer over it. If I remember correctly, I think this is how I did it. And look at that, you can see right through it. Let's just keep going with this. I'm doing it on a piece of plastic so it won't stick to anything. Some more, and then we're obviously going to have to let this dry. It's getting a little wrinkly, as anything when you do Mod Podge always gets wrinkly. So I'm not liking these little big lines across it though. I guess they'll dry clear. They'll also maybe dry bumpy, which I don't want that either. Maybe that would work. Alright, so I guess we're just going to let it dry and hope for the best. See how it looks. I think I've gotten rid of most of the big clumps of it. Alright, now I need to figure out what I'm going to do with the page that I'm putting it on. Let's get this out of the way to dry. Figure out the page we're going to put it on. So, I guess we could, it would fit perfectly on this page. So I think I might do that, but I think I want to cover it with something prettier. I'm going to go ahead and use this kind of, I don't know, neutrally vintagey type floral to mount my picture on. So we'll just kind of go like this and measure it and cut it. I'm going to go ahead and glue this on to the paper, and then we'll wait for everything to dry on the photo and put the photo down. That's going to be my very simple interpretation of the prompt photograph. I thought about all the kinds of different photographs I could put on there, but I wanted to do something other than just put a photograph on there, you know what I mean? Well, my little experiment is dry, And this is what it looks like. It does make it look kind of like sepia toned. I do think that the dirtier one would have made it hard to see or, you know, tell what was in it, the picture. So I'm glad I didn't use it for that, but I think I might experiment with maybe some magazine pictures of people or something and see how it would look on that. And then maybe I could put it on a photograph if I like how it comes out on, you know, something I don't care about that much. So we're all done with this, and I'm just going to glue it on just like that. And that's going to be my complete spread there. That's all I'm going to do, other than putting the number of the spread. And what did I say it was? 25? I'm always forgetting which one I'm on. There we go. Photograph. Pretty easy to do. Alright, and I'm just going to put 25 right down here with some brown ink. Let me make sure it's 25. I'm always screwing that up. Yep, 25. 2 and 5. Alright, let's get this done. My washing machine, you might be able to hear in the background. 25. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for stopping by. If you liked this video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, follow and subscribe, and if you want to, and I'd appreciate it so much. Hope you're all doing well and you're happy and healthy. I'll see you again in the next video, which will be cozy. So that should be interesting. How do you think about, when I think of cozy, I think of a nice soft throw blanket, a cup of tea, an easy chair, looking out the window, and the snow falling. That's what I think of when I think of cozy. And it's kind of hard to do that in the middle of July. Bye-bye, everybody.